Here we go, forging my Hjartum carbon axe. So we begin with the billet. Press the drift in. Draw the lugs down. Here we go, upsetting the pole. This is the special bit. Looking good. Use a fuller under the press. Bit more lugs. Here we go with the blade. Being careful where I hit, putting it in the right spot. Bit of work on the anvil. A little bit more on the blade. Switch dies, planishing out now. Looking good. Heavy grinding of the angle grinder. Finding that with the belt grinder. Work with the files. Quick wire brush. Little adjustment. In the kiln. In the oil. Clean up the wire wheel. Quickly through the grits. Sharpen. Quick polish. There we go.